Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily updates on Solana today. It's going to be a relatively bullish update, and to be fully transparent with you, I also just bought Solana. So inherently, I'm a little bit more bullish. All right. Obviously, I'm bullish on Solana if I just bought. So take that into account. All right. If you think differently, if you're a little bit more bearish on Solana, that's definitely a possibility as well. But earlier this morning, I think we got enough signs to get more bullish on Solana here. Now, ultimately, first off, to start off with the structure, I think the structure is for sure bullish. All right. So we hit this bottom of this big range we've been in for a long period of time. Hit the bottom, found support there, consolidated there, gained momentum, broke out, and now I think we're trending at least to the top of the range here, around 160. That's in line with the high time frame market structure. That's in line with the momentum. I think that's in line with the market as well, although the market could still pull back, right? So then Solana also pulls back. And then Solana could still pull back, and that's also what we talked about yesterday, in which case I will close my trade. In which case Solana can still pull back to 140 and 137 if the market gets a deeper pullback before going up to 155 and 160. So that is a possibility. However, so that's a structure in my opinion, right? So the structure here is bullish, I think, unless we get some sort of recession fears or something that could still destroy the game plan. But if we zoom out, or if we zoom in, excuse me, that's why I got a little bit more bullish on Solana right here, all right? Because on the short term, we actually got some significant bullish breakouts here. We could still reject here, but I think this is not the correct trend line to draw. Maybe you draw the trend line like this, but then we've broken above both of those. And not only have we broken above those, what I think is even more interesting for Solana here is that we are gaining some momentum. All right, that's what you can see right here. We gained some momentum over the course of this morning. We saw some big short positions close as well. If I can load it in real quick again. So that's what you can see here. CVD is going up. It spiked up here when the open interest was going down. So short positions closed. Now we're getting a bit of a sell-off, but the price is holding up. So that means that there's some spot buys coming in as well. And what I like the most about Solana at this point of time is that Solana against Bitcoin also broke out, as you can see right here. So I bought Solana. If we fail to hold this, right? So we got a breakout here. If this breakout fails, I will close, and it will be a small loss. So I'm not telling you, I'm not telling you all to buy Solana right now in masses. That's just why I bought. All right. And ultimately, if Bitcoin rejects here at 63,900, Solana is probably going to reject as well. But for now, I would say, especially with that confirmation on the lower time frames, I would say it's most likely that we will respect this level here, respect the breakout, and that we're at least moving for 150 and 152 again. Now, I think we need more momentum than what we have right now to actually get into the 160s. But it is a possibility, right? If we actually see that continuation of momentum pouring in, if Bitcoin is able to break above 64,000 here, then something like this is also possible. But for now, on the short term, I would say let's be a little bit conservative and say something like this is more likely, and that's what I expect for now. Right, now I do want to say, and that's also why the trade I took is a little bit more risky. I do want to say that if you look at the statistics for Solana here, they have increased a bit over the last week, so that's good. But it's still not great, right? Total value locked, it's up, but it's still relatively low compared to the total value locked. Well, no, it's actually pretty decent. But DEX trading volume is also still relatively low if you compare that to July and the beginning of August, for example. So fundamentals are still not amazing, but I think they're good enough in combination with the technicals we talked about to be bullish on Solana here. So that's why I am. That's why I bought it. That doesn't mean you should follow it, all right? But those are at least my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions here, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.